Hello YouTube, it's me Sebastian and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about why I chose to switch from GameMaker to Unity. This is something that I chose not long ago. I don't know how to use Unity, I'm currently learning. I'm following some video tutorials, stuff like that to learn some Unity. But I've been using GameMaker for quite a while now, like 2 years or something, so that's quite a while for me. Other people have used it way longer and are better than me at it, but I feel like I'm pretty good at GameMaker. I can create pretty much everything I want, more or less, as long as it's nothing to do with the shaders and stuff like that. So I'm pretty good with the GameMaker, but I want to learn Unity because I have some reasons that I'm going to share with you guys as to why I chose Unity over GameMaker. I can't remember if Unity was here, there. The first reason as to why I chose Unity over GameMaker is, of course, the 3D. 3D is very hard to achieve in GameMaker, or maybe it's not hard to achieve, but it's hard to get good results, I think. You can make 3D games. Vlambeer has made the Gun Guards, which is a pretty fun game, the Doom-styled shooter in GameMaker, which is 3D, but I think if you make anything more advanced than that, it's going to be really hard. So that's why I chose to choose Unity, because I want to learn some 3D, I want to learn some Blender stuff, I want to like create some my own 3D models, do some simple animations, do some low poly. I am quite fascinated by the low poly art style, so I thought that it would be fun for me to try and create my own, make my own game, share the process with you guys, of course. That is a big reason for me as to why I want to try and learn Unity. And of course, it's completely free, and I can still make 2D games. Like, I get free game engine, it's free, and I can develop for Android and all the other platforms, and iPhone, whatever mobile platforms, the Mac and shit, and I can't do that with GameMaker. I can, but then I have to pay a great amount of money to do so, and I don't have that kind of money, and I really want to try and make some mobile games, because that could be fun for you guys as well to see how to do that. We could do that together. So I think some tutorials on mobile games would be a lot of fun. So that is also one of the reasons. Like, it's free and it's got a lot of platforms. Like, all the platforms are free. You can just export to them, and the only time you have to pay is if you actually earn more than like $100,000 a year, I think it is. If you earn more than $100,000 a year, then you have to pay for Unity, like a monthly subscription of $25, which if you earn more than 100,000, I think you can get away with 25. Another big reason as to why I want to switch is because of C#. I just want to learn C#. There's not much to it. I just like C#. I don't really like, now how do I put this? I like GameMaker language, but I want something a little bit more structured, and I really like the way that you use classes and object-oriented programming in C# and the functions and stuff. The scripting in GameMaker is so good when you're starting out. It's easy to get your head around, very easy to execute, but I feel like I want more stuff. I want more stuff that I can work with. I just want to learn new stuff. I love to learn, and I want to learn C#. Because that's what Unity uses. Which leads me to my next reason as to why I chose Unity, and that is because of the giant community. The Unity community is great. I have heard. I haven't really been using it. Yeah, I actually have been using it at one point, and it was great. I got super fast help. I'm in like a Unity Facebook group or whatever, and I asked there, and like a bunch of people commented back on my post, and I got loads of comments. Like, the help there is really great. There's a lot of people, which means your help will arrive sooner. Like, if you want to ask for help in the GameMaker community, you will get answers, and sometimes relatively fast, but not all the time, because the community is quite small compared to that of Unity. This is confusing with the Unity and the community. But in essence, Unity has a great community. Unity has a great community that is full of people, and they can help you really fast. There's a lot of good resources and documentation on Unity out there on the internet. There is in GameMaker as well, but Unity has more. And I like that because I want to learn as much as possible. Like, I love learning. I've said that before in this video. I love it and I want to learn more. And Unity really has the stuff that I need personally to learn more. Now we come to the last reason as to why I have decided to choose Unity over GameMaker. And that is because I have found multiple times now GameMaker to be unstable when I update, and it is really annoying. What's happened is sometimes GameMaker, they will release an update, and that is super great. I love updates. You get new stuff, but with GameMaker, I have had several times where a new update that I was forced to do. Sometimes I don't know if that's a bug or whatever, but I'll be forced to update my GameMaker to the newest version. And when I do that, it will break some features of my game. And I don't know why. I can't fix it. Like this time, it actually happened like a couple of weeks ago, which is where I decided now it's Unity. Fuck that shit. I'm not going to GameMaker anymore. Well, I am still because I like GameMaker. I really do have quite a passion for GameMaker. But my main platform will be Unity from now on once I actually learn how to use it. But it was because I had some objects with some variable definitions or whatever they're called, and they were defined. I had some variables defined in the objects, and then I updated GameMaker, and for some reasons, only for some of my objects, the variable definitions disappeared, like from the menu. I couldn't see them anymore, but they were still there. But I couldn't change them because I couldn't see the names. So when I wanted to change one of the variables, which I wanted to do a little bit later, then I weren't able to do it. I even tried adding the same variables in the variable definitions again, but they don't override it. And that's just annoying. Like, I could delete these objects and create them again, but that is just tedious work that I don't want to do. And with Unity, I don't have that problem, because with Unity, I just choose which version that I want to use. They have all of them. Like, you can even download the older ones, like all the way down to 5 point whatever the first one of the 5 was. So you can download the old versions. You don't have to update. It'll prompt you there is an update, and then you can be like, sure, I'll update, and if it fucks everything over, I'm screwed. But at least you can make a backup and go back to the other update, or your previous version, I should say, and it'll still work. But with GameMaker, you're fucked. So that was it for this video. I hope that you got something out of this video. I don't know what it would be. To be sure, maybe you decide as well to switch from GameMaker to Unity. I don't know, but I really hope you enjoyed it. And to stay updated on my channel, you can press the subscribe button down in one of the corners. And beside it, there's a notification bell icon that you can click as well, and that will grant you mastery coding level experience straight away. 3 levels in coding. Boom! Out there. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video to some extent. I did enjoy making it. Maybe not the editing, that's quite boring. But I enjoyed recording it, and I'm having fun, and I hope you have had fun as well, and I hope you have a great day. That's been all for me this time. Goodbye.